everyone, welcome to Boston New Technology. Who's ready to see some awesome startups tonight? Definitely. Thank you. I'm Chris Requena, organizer of BNT, and I welcome you here tonight. Our hosts, Foley Hoag, are unable to be present, actually, so I apologize for that. But I would like to thank them a lot for providing everything here tonight, from the great space and views and food and drinks. So I do thank them a lot and appreciate being here tonight. And they can help you with any of your legal needs at all. This is just a snapshot of their website, but they work in all sectors: technology, science, and professional services, and all stage companies as well. You know, whether you're an early stage startup or later stage company, they can work with you and help you. So please do contact them. We do have all of the partner and presenter information in the program that you have on your chair or that you picked up. So please help us with tweeting using our hashtag here. It's, sorry, wrong way. BNT84, and we do have a Wi-Fi network, which is the Foley Hoag guestnet, and the password is actually behind you on the walls right there, or your neighbor may have it written down for you, so please do use that and help the startups get some buzz, get some promotion on Twitter and Facebook, take some great pictures, and we will all retweet those great tweets on Boston New Tech, and you can also thank Foley Hoag at Foley Hoag on Twitter as well. Let's see. If you have anything at all positive to share, please do that. Share that online. Help these startups. They will each get 5 minutes for a quick demo and overview of their product, and then they'll take your questions. So please do think of some great questions for these guys. And then startups, please also repeat those questions so we can get them recorded on video. We are recording everything tonight for our YouTube channel. So look forward to seeing those videos in the future when we get them posted. We are recording everything again, so please do use the mic at all times. And at this point, I just want to point out that the restrooms are out this way to your left, and there's also a coat closet out there if you need it, or if you can't remember where it was. It's just out to the left on your way out. Grab your coat. Don't forget. And we have the bar open until 8 o'clock. If you want another drink or anything, that's fine. Just go right out and grab another one before they close. Let's see. I just want to thank our partners and supporters before we move on. And actually, I'm going to start with asking your profile video to come up and give an intro to you guys.
Thanks, Chris. Wow, what a cool event. Wow, full house. Who's excited to see some awesome startups tonight, huh? Boston, what an amazing, innovative city. My name's Nate Cantalupo. I run a company called Your Profile Video. I do a lot of kinds of video, hire crews to do narrated, scripted content for places like McLean Hospital. I do a lot of event capture, such as Boston New Technology. I also love crowdfunding campaign videos, such as Kickstarter videos, homepage videos. Anything you need, just feel free to look on the sheet, Your Profile Video, Nate Cantalupo, get in touch with me. I also love giving people consultation about any ways that you can utilize video to grow your brand, reach a bigger audience, get more clients, and get your name out there, whatever kind of business you've got. Yeah, thanks, Chris. Thanks, Boston New Technology. And there's going to be a lot of great companies presenting tonight. Thanks.
Great. Thanks, Your Profile Video. Awesome video work from these guys. We also have Kubica and Nguyen on hand.
Hey everyone, how's it going tonight? Thank you so much for having us. We're really excited to be here for another Boston New Technology event. So I am Drew from Kubica Nguyen, and we are a commercial photography company. So what we do is we like to provide companies, especially develop relationships with startups. We do headshots, obviously. We're doing headshots out here in the hallway. So if you haven't had a chance to come see us, please do. We can kind of show you what we can do right here on the spot. So you can see what it's like when we really get a full session with all the bells bells and whistles. So, we also do product photography. We provide content for social media and websites for companies. So if you have a startup and you need, a good social media presence, you need, really nice stuff for your websites and all that good stuff, please give us a call, give us a ring. We can talk about your personal branding and, get you taken care of, get you looking professional right from the get-go. Thanks so much.
Thanks, guys. Great camera work from these guys. And I also want to ask Chuck Goldstone to come up and introduce himself. He's been helping our startups with their presentations.
In case we needed some form of an ID, you can compare me with that picture up there. I actually promised myself that I would not have any cookies. Who thinks that I was able to have enough willpower? I had cookies. So anyway, it really is, it's all about your story. I run into startups, and I've maybe met 1,500 startups in the last couple of years. I don't care how good your technology is, unless you can convince someone else. And I will tell you, sometimes we're so close to what it is that we do, it's very, very difficult to make sure that the story that we tell is not our story. We can be the hero in it, but it needs to be our audience's story. So if you're going to be successful, you're going to need to answer the most important question, and that is, what do you do? I mean, that's what I ask people all the time. I say, what do you do? And people tell me, and when they're done, sometimes I nod and say, oh, that's really interesting. I have one follow-up question. What do you do? So it really is about how do you answer that question, which is, and the short answer is, why do you deserve to be in the cosmos? What's the problem you're solving or the opportunity that you're tapping? And unless you can do one of those things, you're not going to succeed. So the first part of it is, why do you deserve to be in the cosmos? And the second is, why should your audience care? That's what story's all about. So I'm not going to pitch myself, but I'm working with Chris. We're going to try to help companies who are pitching here, maybe pitch a little better. We're going to start to work. We just started this at the first month. We've started to plug into this. Anyone who's interested, who has their own startup, I run a monthly workshop. See me afterwards. I'll give you a little card. I'm not going to hard sell this, but it really is, whether it's through me or someone else, learn to tell a really compelling story, just so you can get somebody to say, tell me more. So anyway, good luck with everyone tonight, and I'll be listening and I'll be quietly judging.
Thank you, Chuck. Want to thank one more partner who's here tonight, Coalition. Coalition is our home where we co-work.
Hi there, I'm Katherine. I'm from Coalition Boston. We are, if you've heard of WeWork or Work Bar, we're very similar. We like to say we're the more affordable option. We are a space where people can come and do their work, have access to our internet, our printer, our copier, all of that for a monthly membership fee. We also provide private offices for anybody who would be needing that. We're having an open house next week. It's a happy hour hot cocoa in the afternoon, so if you're in the area of Chinatown, South Station, Downtown Crossing, come talk to me about that. We are also doing a drawing for 1 free month of co-working, so come by, drop your business card in our jar, and we also have a raffle wheel where you can win up to 2 free months of co-working if you want to come spin the wheel. I'll be around after the event if you'd like to come talk to me. I'd love to meet you.
Great. Thanks again, Coalition. Thank you for your support. I would like to thank a couple of their supporters who are not here tonight, but UPS offers all kinds of awesome support and services for startups at all stages, from shipping discounts to supply chain management help and other operational help, especially international shipping. So certainly check them out. Katherine Dumont is our contact there. And also IBM has a lot of great services for startups. You can get a lot of free credit for services. Who here is from IBM? Right here? I'm sorry, your names?
I'm Puneet. I'm an attorney for IBM.
Puneet is right here, and
I'm Raj. I'm a developer advocate for IBM Cloud. Actually,
awesome.
Kubic's name is gone, and now it's IBM Cloud.
IBM Cloud. Okay, so Raj is right there if you guys want the goods on IBM Cloud. So that's great to see you guys join as well. And let's see, I just want to run through. We have all the supporters and partners information is here along with all the startups, including their Twitter handles. So I just want to remind you guys, please do tweet and help these guys, show them our love and support and help them get some more traction. And we'll go through the list as shown here. So I'm going to ask Echo Me to come right up and get the program started.